Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, today we're gonna spread some soil in some thinned out grass areas, and then we're gonna top it off with some DiseaseEX by Scotts, just to ensure we not only curatively wipe out any disease in the lawn that might be causing those thinned out spots, but also preventative. My little golden rule is in the month of May and going into the summer, June, July, that kind of thing, you want to ensure that every year you're putting down DiseaseEX, which helps Floritam, St Augustine grass always is susceptible to disease. Also, this is when you want to put down your bug killers, and bug killers that specifically target, you guessed it, grubs, because grub season will be coming up soon. But before we do all that, I just want to throw down some topsoil in those specific thinned out areas, give it some good nourishment and some good soil. Alright folks, enough talking, time for action. Let's get to it. All right, folks, just to be safe, we're going to throw down some DiseaseEX just to ensure that our Floratam St. Augustine grass is disease-free, especially in those thinned-out areas. And just to be double sure, we're going to throw down some Bug B-gon insect lawn killer. Yeah, let's squash any existing bugs in there that might be chewing away on any roots or foliage.